Hi, I'm Tom Heck. I'm the SVP and Head of Life Science Partnerships at BioBridges. With over 25 years in the life science industry, from founding companies to leading M&A efforts, I've helped clinical research organizations and biotech firms, as well as healthcare startups, scale operations, navigate regulatory challenges, and accelerate revenue growth. Today, I want to share a few insights on how clinical researchers can scale effectively, even in uncertain or troubled markets. My first point is around starting with strategic clarity, not just speed. In turbulent markets, it's tempting to move fast, but moving with purpose is more important. Clinical research organizations of all sorts often chase rapid growth by expanding services or entering new markets too quickly. Instead, I advise anchoring every decision in a strategic plan that accounts for regulatory shifts, research techniques, available information, recent discoveries, competitive positioning, and client pain points. For example, at BioBridges, post-pandemic exacerbations in research and funding, we focus not just on growth, but on optimizing our operational engagement strategy through high-quality people assets that fit specific functions. And that meant aligning messaging, delivery models, and business lines to ensure we weren't just growing, but scaling clients' efforts with wisdom and diligence. The second point is elevating operations through cross-functional execution. Scaling isn't just about commercial wins, it's about operational maturity and quality. That means focusing, enhanced listening, efficient workflow, adherence to scope, and making cross-functional collaboration a non-negotiable. At BioBridges, we streamline how teams across researchers, operations, and sales interact for client benefit. That increased efficiency encourages fact-based decision-making, improved client onboarding, improved flexibility that often plagues growing organizations. Whether you're a mid-sized or emerging biotech company, scaling operations must be baked into your DNA early. Forging partnerships is my third point, not just contracting. When the market tightens, relationships become our advantage. Strategic partnerships, especially with multinational CROs, academic institutions, and biotech sponsors, can open new doors and drive sustainable growth. I've had the privilege of leading negotiations where long-term value, not short-term wins, guides the deal. And that mindset builds trust, mitigates volatility, positions one as a reliable force in a fragmented marketplace. In clinical research, reputation is as important as the innovation itself. In conclusion, to scale research innovation in a troubled market, you don't need just boldness, you need precision. Define your strategic intent. Operationalize with discipline and communicate with clarity and partner always with purpose. Thank you for watching, and remember, the best growth isn't reactive, it's absolutely intentional. So let's build a future of clinical research together. Thank you.